In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your own affiliate marketing business the right way. Hey everyone, Nate Valline here with natevalline.com. Welcome to my video. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build and structure your own affiliate marketing business the right way. But before I get into this, I quickly want to say that if you're new to my channel, make sure you click that big red button and subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any of my other videos on how to make money online, get your side hustle on, or even just improve your skills as a marketer. So affiliate marketing, if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing really is, it's the promotion of other people's products and services for a commission. So basically what you're doing is introducing leads or prospects to another person's product or service, and if they decide to buy through your affiliate link, you receive a commission for that introduction. And now there's definitely the right way and wrong way to do this. The wrong way is basically just sending all these leads directly to the sales page of this other person or company's product. So what I'm going to do is get in my computer here real quick and show you, I'll kind of diagram out the correct way to structure your affiliate business that will give you long-term success. So I'll get into my computer here. Hold on one second. And so like I said, there's a wrong way and a right way to do this. The wrong way is you'd have a sales page for whatever promotion it is you're promoting, right? And when people that you introduce to the sale page buy through your link, then you earn money, right? That's the goal. You want people to land on that sales page and buy so that you can earn that commission. So like I said, the wrong way to do it is to send leads or traffic directly to that page. This is a big no-no. You do not want to do that. That is short-term thinking. That does not create any long-term benefits for you. Instead, what you want to do is, as you drive traffic, you first want to send them to what is called an opt-in page. And on this page, there is a box where your leads can enter in their email address. When they enter in their email address, hit submit, two things happen. The first thing is their email is sent to your email list. Then the second thing that happens is your visitor is directed to a second page, a thank you page, where you can pre-frame them. You can give them additional information. You might offer them a bonus. You can put your face in front of them to start branding yourself as well. And then once they complete an action, click a button, or after a certain amount of time, they are redirected to the sales page, where then the sales page, which is provided by the product owner, then provides the sales language, and then if they buy, you get money, right? That's the goal. So this is the basic flow. So basically what's happening, right? So you're sending traffic here. This is traffic. And so when they hit here, like I said, they enter their email address, then they go to the thank you page, sales page. If they buy, you get money. And then also when they opt in, you get their email list. Now the email list, this is what's important right here. This is super important. The reason this is important is because this becomes your business asset. This is yours. This is something you get to keep, you have control over, and you can do basically whatever you want with, as long as it's within ethical standards, right? So what happens is, say, for example, you're sending 100 leads to your opt-in page. Typically, an average opt-in rate, which is decent, say maybe 40 people put in their email address right? So that's 40 people are then directed to the thank you page. And those 40 people, those 40 email addresses get put in your list, right? From the thank you page, you might have a little bit more fall off. So, for easy math, let's say 20 complete the action or whatever, and then they are directed to the sales page. So this loss between here, this loss, oops, not toss, sorry. This loss of 20 people, you still have their 20 email addresses down in your list. So of these 20 people that made it to the sales page, maybe some buy, maybe some don't, but the ones that don't, you have them in this email list, and now you can send them follow-up emails, right? So, and these follow-up emails, that looks more like an email, then can relay additional information and send them back to the sales page. So by doing this, now, you send out these emails to the 40 people. Now maybe another 20 people click and head to the sales page. So that improves your chance to increase your conversions and earn more money. So this basic model here, this is your business. This is your affiliate business. You have your asset, your business asset that you can continue to market to. You can introduce them to additional products and services that you may be promoting. You get full control of this. These opt-in pages too, these are also assets as well. You get to own those. And what happens is, as you create more opt-in pages, you may want to start testing to see if you can improve this number. So you want to always be testing so that you optimize your conversion rates from your opt-in rate to your sales conversion so that you earn more money. That is the goal. That is the game of affiliate marketing, in other words. And so with this structure, there are just a few tools that you would need. That's why it's so low cost to get into this business. But you need an autoresponder to house and manage your email list. For the opt-in pages and thank you pages, you need a funnel builder page. And then to track the performance of your traffic and your conversions, you need tracking software. So really, you only need 3 tools to get your business up and running the correct way. And so this is something that can easily be put together as you go through and structure and build your business. Now, like I said, this is just a quick overview. You can create this to be much more in-depth, involved. You can start funnel stacking. You can create different autoresponder message sequences, automations. You can change up the flow a little bit depending on your experience, on how your funnels are performing. But with that, you want to make sure you know what you're doing. You want to start with the basics. This is the basic setup that you want to start with and strive for. But if you really want to learn how to do this the correct way, there are many top leading industry professionals out there that are creating these great training programs. One of which is one that I've partnered with, and I've been going through his training, and it's been spectacular. And I'd like to show that with you now. So I'm just going to minimize this and pull this up here. So this program that I'm talking about is developed by Anthony Morrison, and it's called Partner with Anthony. And basically, that's what you're doing. You're partnering with him. He's sharing his business with you, how to create your own affiliate marketing business the right way, kind of like I showed you. And through all his training, he's sharing with you the tools that he uses. So the tracking services, the autoresponders, the funnel builder software, the ones that he actually uses, he shares those with you and tells you, recommends those for you as well. And then he also shares email swipes and actual opt-in pages that he uses. He talks to you about the different traffic that you can use to drive leads to your products or promotions that you're offering. And so it's really great program. It's laid out in a very easy to follow format. Anthony Morrison is a great teacher. He's been teaching for quite a while, but you can see they're broken down into just different daily sessions. And each session is then broken down into easy to swallow modules. And so these modules, they're all video recording trainings. Some talk about mindset, others talk about strategy and tactics, and others are actual over-the-shoulder training that you can follow along and implement while you build and grow your business. So, this is a program that I'm excited about. I'm seeing some positive momentum going for me. It creates an ecosystem that is fantastic, because part of this ecosystem that's so great is that it allows you to earn multiple streams of income. So when I'm talking about these marketing tools, the tracking, the autoresponder, and the funnel building program, you can, when you sign up for them, you get to become an affiliate with those programs. And as you promote, you then can earn commissions when you sign up under your affiliate link as well. So you get to earn from different streams of income as you grow your business as well, which just multiplies the commissions that you earn. So if this is something that you're interested in, if you want to learn to build your business the right way from someone that knows what he's doing and how to teach it, then this should be a program that you should check out. And to do so, all you have to do is click the first link in the description below. That'll take you to the page where you can get more information, and you can get joined up straight from there. So I'm going to wrap this up. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or a like or a share. If you have any questions or comments, also leave those in the description below. I'll be happy to answer them. And again, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that big red button and subscribe. So with that, my name is Nate Valline with natevalline.com. I appreciate you for watching. Be sure to check out that first link in my description, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.